Ako ata. Walang pwedeng makita, Wila. Hi, Pads, don't do that. Pads, don't do that. Okay. Sige, ready. Receive. Use only your sense of smell. Okay, so you're going to smell.
Pero bakit ako yung ito?
Okay?
Smell.
That smells like cologne. Cologne.
Ano?
Okay.
Cologne.
Oh, do not look. Very good.
Look open your eye.
I just smelled it and orange.
Later, wait. Yes, very good, Seth. How about touch? Let me.
Next na meron.
You smell it. Smell it.
Kasi ito teacher?
What is that touch? Very good. How about Wila?
Hello? Smell what?
Orange. Orange.
Okay, very good. Next.
This one. Show mo. What's that?
Ano ba?
Yung malunggay.
Pambango?
Oh, what English na pa ba?
Ha?
Sige, ito din, teacher.
Cologne.
Hindi, perfume.
Perfume.
Smelling again.
Nasa tayo, teacher.
Perfume.
Okay, very good. Seth. How about Katrina?
What's that? Onion.
Very good, onion. Okay, how about Taj?
Wait lang,
Okay.
kumain pagkatapos. Diyan ka lang, harap.
Ah,
After niyo.
how about this one? Smelling of hold mo. Properly. And hold mo.
Orange.
Ay, yung baby ko.
Wow, very
Good,
good.
orange. But,
Okay, Taj.
ano?
What's that?
Wala mo.
Powder.
Alam na, smell.
Powder, very good, Rila. Rila, do not look, ha?
Ano?
Smell mo.
Ito. Kamatis.
Oh, don't look ah, don't look ah. Tanggalin mo
I
yan.
don't look, ha? Don't look. It's only your sense of
Ay,
smell.
naamoy ito.
Can you smell?
Naamoy ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun.
Naamoy mo to, naamoy mo to eh.
So, how does it smell?
Tonto ako sa yung mga bata.
Ginger.
No, it's not ginger.
Fishy?
Fishy.
Oh, so, it's fishy. What is it?
Fish.
Fish? Malapit na. Okay, we will reveal later. Okay.
That, I think that's
Saan nilalagay ito?
Alcohol, again.
Okay.
onion.
Okay, very good.
Sana.
Powder.
Good talaga sila. They are using their sense of smell.
Tuyo.
Hindi, no, it's not candy.
What's this?
Wow, si Seth.
Fish.
Powder.
Fish.
Very good. Oh, wag mong hawakan ah. Alam mo lang.
Taj, do not hold it. Do not touch it. You just smell. Mom will be the one to hold it. Okay?
What's that?
Smell lang, smell.
Water is a glass of water of mine.
Why?
What is water? Smells like
How do you know it's
Oh,
water?
what's that?
perfume. Yes.
Yes, very good.
Hello.
That's the.
It's bad smell.
Ito.
Is there a last one?
May smell ba yan?
Wala. Tapos na kami, teacher.
Okay, wag mo munang tanggalin yung
Huwag mo muna
blindfold niya.
tanggalin. Huwag mo muna tanggalin.
That's just water.
Water.
Okay.
Ano siya dito? Hindi pa siya dyan.
How about later?
Ano yun lang? Huwag mo
Wait
papakawan.
lang, baby.
Ano yun? Nanay,
Doon ka mag-harap.
Okay. Do not remove your blindfold.
It's too big.
Ah, ito yung last one.
Onion. An onion.
Powder.
Oh.
An onion.
Tapos na kami, teacher.
Okay, sige. Huwag niyo muna pong tagalin yung
This one,
Very
that's
good.
the
Okay, Taj. Do not hold it, Taj. You smell only.
So, one.
So,
What is that, Taj?
Alone.
what do you think of that?
No.
Make a guess, make a guess.
Not bad.
But again, make a guess. Come on.
What is that?
Make a guess. Wait, no.
Not the fish. The last thing.
Okay.
Wait lang.
Are you done na, Taj?
Doon na ako.
This one na lang.
Still.
How about this one? Ay. Meron.
Rarity. Oh, rarity. Let me off the light now.
What?
Founder.
Okay, very good. Okay.
And last one. What's that? What's that fish? Touch,
Water
touch.
drinks, ha? Water. Tandahan, puno.
Don't touch the nap. You smell. You smell.
You want the drinks, eh? You want the drink?
What? What do you think is this? Come on.
Ito with my lips.
Touch.
Flower.
Okay, it's a flower.
Dami siya. Dami siya dyan. Dami siya dyan.
Okay. Okay, all are done. Okay, reveal the objects and food. Okay.
Kasi
Look at the things that you smell.
Ano yung smell mo?
Remove your blind.
kaya
Si
sana
Chef, ako
mabaho
Chef,
eh.
ba kumakain ng tuyo?
Yes.
Bakit alam yung tuyo?
Yes, ano, church.
Just like my daughter
Good snaps.
also.
Just smell again.
Eating tuyo.
Oh, look.
Tad, what are you doing, Tad?
This is the one you said na something fishy. This is bagoong. Pero this is raw bagoong, but the cooked bagoong, di ba masarap?
Tad, you want rice because you crush the tuyo, okay?
Because you had a hard time.
Kaya pala mabaho onion.
Okay. So, did you enjoy the little activity that we had?
Uy, ba't nakasarap?
Yes.
Okay. What is the sense organ that we use for smelling?
What does the organ for smelling?
Ano na yung smell? Smell.
Okay, we use our nose. Very
Finish
good.
na
We
yan.
use our nose. Okay. We use our sense of smell